Today I'm talking about email marketing. Yes, email marketing. Email marketing is not only to educate your subscribers only. It's an opportunity for you to market your products or your service to people who are most likely to buy from. Yes, who are most likely to buy from you. Here are few tips to write a promotional email to sell your product effectively. Firstly, is your subject title. Subject title is very important in email marketing. Start with an interesting subject line that draw people to your email. The next tip is the body. Yes, that contains what you want to promote or you want to sell to your customer or to the potential customer. Yes. So make sure that the body of the email is not so lengthy. Don't be the after to read lengthy words in email. Once your subject line attracts people to open your email, now the body should not send them away because it's too lengthy. So try and make sure to be brief in your email in on the body and pass out the right information you want to pass out on the body. When I continue with the third tip, make sure you follow me. Make sure you follow me. Thirdly, add a call to action to your email. You know where you're going to direct the reader from your email to from your email either to your inbox or your sales page. So your call to action is very important. You don't just write email with a great subject title and the body and nowhere to dive your customer to take action on the products you are selling or your marketing. Lastly, add a deadline to your promotion and or offer. No, naturally human being we are lazy to take action until later. So adding deadline to your offer makes your customer or the customer to make decision on time before the deadline. The more people put your promotional email aside to come back later, the more they will forget to come back and open it to take action. Don't forget to put deadline on your email. It's very important. If you take these actions, I promise you are going to see changes in your email campaign to your potential customer or clients. Thank you.